Greenwich University ensures the credibility of the degrees awarded to students by paying extra focus and attention on the examination system. An elaborate mechanism is devised keeping in mind absolute transparency and safeguarding the legitimate interest of each individual student. To caution the students against use of unfair means during the examination, standees are also placed at entrance and university lobby. Students are expected to strictly adhere to the rules and regulation. The students are kept informed about the examination rules by placing standees before and during the examination in the examination hall and in entrance lobby. Notices are also placed on the notice board cautioning the students against the use of unfair means during the examination. The examination department issues the notices for midterm and final exams and clearance slips separately before commencement of the respective examinations. The clearance slips are available on the university website. Students download examination clearance slip at their own convenience from the computer lab and get it verified from the examination department. The clearance slip is mandatory requirement for entrance to examination hall. The clearance slip and ID card are made mandatory to check the identity and to ensure that the student is registered in the course and is not barred due to shortage of attendance. The examination controller plays a significant role by being very vigilant. He personally takes the examination paper to each room 15 minutes before the start of the examination and hands over personally to the invigilators in the examination hall. He also visits each and every room once the paper has been started. The examination is conducted under strict vigilance as well as electronic surveillance. Attendance once again is of prime importance and thus is taken on a separate list. Students mention their answer sheet number against their name and sign it. Students are not only monitored by the invigilators and controller examination, but through the surveillance cameras as well as in director and personnel's room. An intricate setup of camera is installed at Greenwich University, which also enables the person in charge to zoom in on the copy monitor if the student is using any inappropriate means and measures to clear the paper. After the exam, the answer scripts are brought in a safe and designated place for coding under strict vigilance. The top of answer sheet is given same numbers at two places, one where the name of the student and his registration number is written, and on the top right hand corner. The perforated portion of the top sheet is detached and kept in examination department under lock and key. The answer sheets are collected by the invigilator and stamped with 3 stamps in the examination department to ensure transparency. The answer sheets are then counted against the signatures on the attendance sheet. The papers are then handed over to the faculty for making against a receipt. Once the paper are received, after marking, the perforated portion is attached to the answer sheet to declare the identity of answer sheet.
First, the results are entered manually in the result sheet and then updated on software, which cannot be changed without the consent of the authorities. The students can check their results on Greenwich University's website individually by entering their roll number and password.